Your roof is one of the most important parts of your home. It protects you, your family, and your belongings from the elements. But what happens when your roof starts to fail? If you're a home or business owner who needs a roof replacement in Denver, look no further. At Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver, we understand that a damaged or worn-out roof can cause major headaches for homeowners. Our experienced roofing professionals will work with you to ensure your new roof is installed to the highest standards. We only use high-quality roofing materials from trusted brands to ensure your new roof lasts for years to come. At Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver, we understand that a new roof is a significant investment. That's why we offer competitive pricing and financing options to make it easier for homeowners to get the roof they need. We take pride in our work and stand behind every roof replacement job. Whether you need a minor repair or a total roof replacement, we're here to do the job right. Contact us today at 970-545-0020 for a free estimate, and let us help protect your home for years to come. You can check what our satisfied customers say by visiting www.dennysroofingllc.com/denver-roofing-company. Don't let a damaged or outdated roof compromise the safety and comfort of your home or business with Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver.